Good morning, students. Welcome to Delhi Public School Gandhinagar art class. Myself, Vaishali Thakkar. Here I am going to teach you lesson about shapes drawing of class 1 in art book. Your next topic about shapes drawing. Then lesson number 2 about fun with shapes. Lesson number 3 about fun with shapes. So you can see this page on page number 7. So instruction already given here. Trace the dotted lines with sketch pen to learn the names of basic shapes. But see children, in this page, all you don't take sketch pen because we use only color pencil for coloring. So don't take sketch pen. Okay. So here, first shape about square shape. So you can see in this picture that is first shape with the help of purple color line drawing work. So all you do first line work with the help of purple color. After that orange color. After that yellow color, then pink and then light blue color. So all children, you also do coloring inside in this blank box. Okay. So every shape you have to also fill color inside also. So after that when you finish square shapes coloring, then after start circle shape. So you can see in this picture which coloring is given there. That only you can use in this circle. Then triangle shape. So here also you can do same coloring and after that rectangle. So all children you have very clear about that all shapes drawing. Okay. So you can also learn more shapes in your other rough art and craft book. Okay. So after that, you can see in this picture, this is on page number 8. So this is activity about fun with shape. So which instruction is written here? Can you complete this picture with the help of basic shapes? And listen children, here is some missing line is there. So first one, you complete all missing lines and then after you draw that perfectly with pencil and then you start coloring which picture is given here with coloring that only you can use. Okay, so you can see in this picture that is pink color in house, then gate color will do with light blue color and then after that roof color is dark blue and after that that tree color is dark green and light green. Sun color is yellow. Okay. And then tree's trunk will do with brown color. And when you finish all coloring work in this object, then after don't forget to complete background. So you can see in this picture that background color is orange. So children, take orange color and complete. Okay. So after that when you completed this picture perfectly, then after take black color and do outline. Okay. So you can see in this picture with the help of shapes, you can make any type of drawing. So you can see in this picture that is one scenery. So you can do with the help of this shape, you can make a beautiful picture. After that, this is also one type of drawing with the help of shapes drawing. So children, what you do here? So you can see some missing part is there. So first one you complete all missing lines. Then after you start coloring, and yes, that color only you use pencil color. So this is compulsory to everyone. You have to take only pencil color for coloring work. Okay. So now you do first line work, then after coloring work. So I explain you about that color scheme. So you can see in this picture that coloring work is given here. So that only you can follow. Okay. So children, you can see in this picture one train is there. So train color is pink. Then train proportion will do with dark purple. Then after yellow color is there, brown color is there, dark green color is there. So all color you have to take as it is, which is given here for reference. Okay. Then after sun color is, yeah, orange. Sorry, don't take yellow color because you take yellow color in background. That's why if suppose you take yellow color for sun, so then after it is not visible. Okay. And then this tree. Okay. So tree color is green. So all you also complete this green color in tree. Then after orange color and this coloring work is complete. Then what you do? Yes, outline work. So all you take black color pencil for outline. So I hope all you very clear about this work. So now I going to share you also one video and inside you can see more thing about shapes drawing. Okay, so let's get started with this video.
Hey kids, today we are going to learn how to draw and color different shapes. Names of these shapes: circle, triangle, trapezium, rhombus, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, oval, crescent, octagon, parallelogram, star, square, waterfall, semicircle. Thanks for watching this video.